Now we are solving 28th question of SSLC Maths 25-26 Model Question Paper 1. The question is prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A is equal to square root of 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A into cosecant A. Now let us prove it. Here LHS is equal to secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Observe that only this one is in sin A, all other means secant A, tan A. We can convert it into sine ratio. So secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. Here also we can change it. Tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Okay, now 1 by cos A, that is secant A, into 1 minus sin A. Here also secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. Tan A is sin A by cos A. Here since we have to add these two, LCM is cos A. So this one becomes 1 plus sin A. Okay. This is 1 by cos A into 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by cos A. Now we have to multiply these things. Cos A into cos A is cos square A. 1 into 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. By using A plus B into A minus B, that is equal to A square minus B square formula or identity, we can multiply these two. So 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Cos A into cos A is cos square A. 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that is equal to 1 minus sin square A by cos square A. We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. So this is equal to cos square A upon cos square A, which is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to 1. Now let us concentrate on RHS. RHS is square root of 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A into cosecant A. These two expressions contain square root. Here we can multiply these two by using A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. So this is equal to 1 minus cos square A, square root of 1 minus cos square A into cosecant A. 1 minus cos square A is equal to sin square A. By using the identity, sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay. Square root of sin square A is equal to sin A into cosecant A. Now we can change cosecant A into 1 over sin A, because cos A and sin A are reciprocal ratios. Here sin A in the numerator and sin A in the denominator get cancels. That is equal to 1. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved.